My name is Callie Bond. I'm in 8th grade, and I'm number 1 in my class for the first 9 weeks.
My name is Cameron. I'm in 7th grade, and I topped first in the last 9 weeks.
My name is Myli Williams. I am in 6th grade, and I tied for first place in the first 9 weeks.
My name is Dalton. I am in the grade 6, and I ranked first in the first 9 weeks.
Being the top student in my grade means that you put in hard work, you kept up with your things, and you got your stuff together as you needed.
It means that I put the effort into my work all the time and did what I was supposed to and paid attention and all that stuff.
Being one of the top students in my grade means that I took care of all my work and I put effort into all of my grades.
Being a top student to me means I have to work really hard to keep my place.
My parents and peers inspire me to do my best because my parents are always encouraging me to do better, and they're always supporting me, and my peers give me that good friendly competition to do better.
My mom and my dad, my mom especially, because she's always like, if you do this, you'll get the benefits, cause and effect, blah, blah, blah.
The person who inspires me to work hard, not only as a student but as a person, is my sister because she pushes me to be the best version of myself.
And the people who inspire me to work hard is my family because I want to do good in school to impress them, and I always want them to bring home good stuff and like good grades.
My project that I really enjoyed this 9 weeks was a social studies project. We had to do a one-pager about 4 events in the American Revolution, and it just helped me bring out my creative side on things.
My favorite subjects are theater and engineering because in theater we're doing a UIL play. In engineering we build stuff like balloon cars, which is basically just a regular car with balloon power in it.
One of the projects that I enjoyed in GT was my vacation in Latin America. We had to pick 5 historical places in Latin America, research them, and explain why they are so historical and the activities that you can do there.
I really enjoy doing GT because they give you a lot of cool projects to do. Like one when you have to research Latin America. Basically, you have to find 5 historical places and you have to research about them. And you have to put all that researching into a slideshow and then you have to present it to everyone in my class.
My goals for the future is to graduate, go to college, get my master's degree, and for Houston, there's a professional volleyball team, and I wish that I could be on that one whenever I get older.
My goals for the future in school are to graduate with honors and or do the best I can. And in school, I would think that going to college might be the best idea. I don't know. I'll get there when I get there.
My goals in now school is to remain first by getting good grades, and next year I want to do cross country in my school. Ms. Lyons already told me how good a job I am at running, so I really want to do cross country next year.
My goals for the future in school is to continue my education at University of Texas, and I want to succeed with my bachelor's degree. And out of school, my goals are to follow God and continue with His time.
If I were to give advice to other students, it's to challenge yourself every day, help your peers, help yourself, and just don't stress about it.
If I were to give advice on success, I would say stay focused, put your mind to it, because if you do that, it'll help you. Mostly
My advice to other students is to have a positive mindset, to work hard, and to stay focused.
My advice is to always stay focused and to do your best on your work so that you can get your best outcome.
Shout out to my parents.
One shout out that I would give is to my parents for giving me aggressive encouragement to do good in all of my classes and all of my assignments.